In front of me is Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now you need to type in Magic Fluids. After that, get this free app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, click on Open. Then mute the music by tapping on the bottom left corner, and when you're ready, click on bottom right one. Over here, select Settings at the top, click on I accept in the pop-up, and manage all of those options however you wish to. Finally, click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time you need to choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Choose Set Wallpaper over here and tap on Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, click on Home button, and as you can see after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!